Hi, I'm Josh, CTO and founder of Aloft.ai, here at Page Field in Florida. And at the UAS symposium this year, we're going to be talking about remote identification. And it's really a topical subject. We finally have the rule for remote identification, and a lot of people were highly polarized by it. But ultimately, I think it's really important for the community and really important for the national airspace at large. You see, as drone pilots, we sometimes forget that we share the airspace with a number of other stakeholders, some of them manned, some of them unmanned. And understanding that we have to be able to integrate all of the different stakeholders and have the utmost transparency for everybody operating is super important. So while everybody may have not gotten everything they wanted out of the remote ID rule, it is a very good first step in order to create an operating picture that allows everyone to have safety and situational awareness. When we look at the Lance authorization system, of which Aloft.ai is now powering over 50% of all authorizations, we have a really good opportunity to see that as people are able to notify key stakeholders of their operations, safety is increased and transparency is increased. We're going to see the same with remote identification at an even broader scale, because it doesn't have to happen just in controlled airspace. It can happen with local law enforcement and other key stakeholders anywhere that drones are operating. So as we look to the future and UTM, we need to understand that this is going to have to play well with this. And understanding all of the different stakeholders and how they play together is going to be key for the success of commercial drone operations now and in the future. At Aloft, we're powering enterprise UTM, where customers are able to actually see their own people operating and see their own drones happening. This is all way in advance of what will be the national or global UTM. And the benefits for this are big, and customers are already taking advantage of it to increase safety and transparency amongst their own operations. Lastly, with Before You Fly, we have a really interesting opportunity to take remote identification information that people are wanting to share or need to share and put that in one of the largest audiences for drones in the world. This is going to enable greater transparency, greater safety, and greater situational awareness for drone pilots, crewed aviation, and key stakeholders alike. From Page Field in Fort Myers, Florida, my name's Josh, and thanks for watching.